$639. This is huge. Also, Bitcoin dominance has started to fall. Alt season's here. Tokens like XRP have been rallying in recent weeks. Solana's still up there. Tokens like Sui have been rallying. Altcoin season has started. Now, I'm going live today as a warning because most retail investors like me and you are going to get wrecked in 2024. They're going to get destroyed by crypto because they're going to FOMO in. They're going to get too excited. They're going to listen to all the YouTube videos, all the hype, how this token's going to 50x, 100x. They're going to buy in at the top, and as the market starts to crash, then they'll sell. Then they'll lock in them losses. So what I'm doing by going live today, I'm offering you my help and support because I know how important education is with crypto investing, with any investing. Now, if you go on my YouTube page, if you go on the About page, I'll be telling you, you'll realize that all my videos are simple, easy to follow. They're for beginners. They're for people who are just starting to invest in crypto. My channel is designed really to help beginners with crypto investing. Now, if you look at the links, I've got two links. I've got two school communities. One's premium investing school and one's a free investing school. The free investing school is all about stock investing and get you to the point where you can invest in the stock market safely with index funds. So if that's of interest, click the link and you can join. It's completely free. You get 2 investing courses. It covers things like mindset, economy, investing mistakes to avoid, and how to invest in the stock market with low-cost index funds. You get around other like-minded investors, a community of investors. So this really is your starting point. But my main focus, as I've said, at the moment is with crypto. And this is what this premium investing school is all about. It's a crypto community. So let's have a little look. This is Complete Investing Premium. This is my crypto community. So on here, you can comment. You can tell us what you're currently investing into, when you're going to cash out. You can ask any questions within the group. Let's go to the About page. There's a video explaining exactly what the group's about. So this is a crypto group to help investors with education, market updates and community. If you're aged 18 to 50 and dream of retiring early or even financial freedom, this group is for you. With crypto, you have an amazing opportunity to do just that if you learn to invest now. What you're getting with the courses, you get 3 courses. Complete Investing Made Simple, which is the main course, value $250. Complete Investing Part 2, Advanced Investing, again value $250. Crypto Cash Out. This is key over the next 6 to 12 months, value $250. This is Complete Investing Premium, where you get all your questions answered in our community. I share my 21 years of investing experience to guide you on how to invest safely and effectively. This is so important. This community is going to give you help and support over the next 6 to 12 months. Because if you don't focus on education, if you don't get that help and support, you're very likely to suffer. You're going to suffer emotionally and financially, which we don't want. I don't want that at all. That's why I want to help you. I want you to join this community. So you get a crypto investing 5-part course. You get advanced investing strategies. You learn how to avoid common investing mistakes, how to invest in any market conditions with case studies included, and you get a weekly newsletter focusing on market indicators and crypto news updates. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my recent weekly newsletter, my most recent newsletter. I'll click on here. So 13th for the 12th, so I do it every Friday. So this was last Friday. Bitcoin's still trading around $100,000 and Michael Saylor is still buying Bitcoin for fun. So this is what you get with the newsletter. Here's a quick rundown of what's included in the Complete Investing newsletter. Market conditions and the latest news. There'll be something relating to psychology because it's important. I'll be covering what altcoins I'm currently looking at, technical analysis. This will be basic, but will be another tool to help you with your exit strategy. And lastly, my personal crypto portfolio, updated weekly, displaying percentage allocations for each crypto asset. So, market conditions and latest news. So I'll give you what's going on in Bitcoin and crypto in that given week. Like the fact that Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy have been at it again and have purchased another 21,550 Bitcoin at a price of $98,000 per Bitcoin. Saylor's put forward his case for Microsoft to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet recently. This was rejected this week by Microsoft shareholders. Will they live to regret it? And so on and so forth. So I'm going to go over this investing mindset because, again, it's important. So I've been struggling with sleep recently, and it's partly down to crypto. I'm looking at charts, watching loads of YouTube videos, publishing my own crypto YouTube videos, reading books, etc., etc. One good thing, I'm not looking at CoinMarketCap every 5 minutes like in 2021. I would say once a day, every other few days, maybe. What we want in this bull market is to make as much money as possible and learn all about crypto and blockchain along the way. Just be careful it doesn't affect your health. Health is the most important thing. It goes without saying. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing crypto-wise, but I'm going to switch off after 9 p.m. Get that sleep sorted and really focus on my health. Please avoid FOMO and reread the following. So I include this every week. With crypto, you need to be very careful. Don't get overexcited. Don't look at your portfolio literally every 5 minutes. Don't get too emotional. Do stay calm. Do stay neutral. This might get a bit repetitive, but it's important and definitely bears repeating. So that's a bit on mindset each week. Altcoins I'm currently looking at. So the altcoins I've been looking at are Sui, Ton, XRP, and HBAR, Hedera. Sui can be the top performing layer one in this cycle for me personally. The price has been flying up and all the on-chain data sounds really promising. Like the fact that Sui has entered the top 5 for all chains for DeFi volume. So a bit more talking about the ISO 20022, which includes things like XLM, Hedera, XRP, etc., etc. So you're going to have different altcoins you've invested in or are looking at because we're all different. All I would say is make sure you do your own research and fully understand each coin. Look at things like the history of the project, the team behind it, the blockchain that it's operating on, the security around the ecosystem, the community around the project, the niche that it's operating in, the problem it's trying to solve. And if you want to go a bit deeper, look at tokenomics, which includes the token utility, the amount of tokens in circulation, whether the asset is inflationary or deflationary, the distribution model of tokens. If that's it, if it sounds a bit daunting, like with doing your research, there are ways around it. For example, you hear about a crypto like Sui, you go on YouTube and spend a few hours looking at videos that cover this particular project. All I would say is if you're watching YouTube videos about a particular project, make some notes. And this is going to help you understand that particular crypto. And take everyone's opinion with a pinch of salt. Because it's just an opinion at the end of the day. Yes, you get better. You've got really good YouTube channels that go into loads of detail, but it's just their opinion. You've got to do the research yourself. Watch a few different channels. Look at that particular crypto's website. Look at the team behind the crypto. Look at the community. Have they got a big follower on X, etc., etc. So technical analysis. This is a tool that I'm going to be using to help me with my cash out. I'm not a day trader. I'm a long-term investor. I'm using technical analysis to help me to see where we are in the market cycle to help me with that cash out. So while it's not always 100% right, I believe it still remains the most effective tool for investors to profit from the crypto market. Moving averages are the main tool I'll be using, but the problem is that moving average is a lagging indicator. To mitigate the risks of using moving averages, you could also use relative strength index, RSI, and the moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Example, A moving average might show an emerging bullish trend, which can be confirmed by an RSI moving above 50, indicating increasing bullish momentum. If you use TradingView, here's some indicators you could potentially monitor. And we're going to move on to TradingView in a minute. So SMA, I use the 200-day SMA, simple moving average, and the 50-day SMA. This gives you an idea of where we are. It gives you trend identification. I also use the EMA, exponential moving average, and I use the 9-day and the 34. And this is better for crypto because it's short term. RSI, Relative Strength Index, 30 indicates oversold conditions, 70 is overbought conditions. MACD is trend momentum. I don't really use this, but you can use it if you want. I'm using SMA, EMA, RSI, and volume. So this is important. This is what I included in this week's newsletter to help you with where we are in the cycle. So here's a little summary of what to look out for the next few months. Watch the M2 money supply to gauge the market cycle. And this is basically how much money is circulating in the overall economy. Like the fact that China have recently pumped 1.5 trillion into the economy. So you want to be looking at the news so you can get information like that. The Fed are going to be printing hundreds of millions of dollars. Quantitative easing, and that is basically where the Fed cuts the rates, the interest rates, and starts the money printers. This is going to increase liquidity into the markets. So you can also use the Wall Street cheat sheet and the Fear and Greed Index to track market emotions. Let's have a look at the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index based on the fact that it's got real world use, the fact that it's potentially going to be the payment rails to take over SWIFT on the blockchain. There's loads of positives with XRP, but not necessarily a 10x in this bull cycle. Again, that's just my opinion. So don't chase pumps, don't rely on price predictions, do your own research. Time altcoin exits carefully after Bitcoin peaks. Look for signs of excessive hype as your final warning to exit. If you've been watching crypto, if you've been learning about crypto, watching YouTube videos on X, reading about crypto, I get a lot of my information from TradingView, from the stories, from the news articles in TradingView and Cointelegraph. If you've been watching crypto carefully, you're gonna know when the excessive hype's here. You're gonna know when retail's here, when retail's FOMOing in. People are gonna be talking to you about crypto. If you're interested in crypto and you have been for a while, your friends and family are gonna be all over you like a rash. So just look for signs of excessive hype. So my current portfolio, here I give you a percentage, like the fact that I've got 40% Solana, 20% in Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, 15% in Sui, 5% in Tau, and 5% in CAS. The remaining 5% is in meme coins and gaming. So that's basically my weekly newsletter. And that'll be you get access to that within the crypto community, and that'll be every Friday. And over the next 4 to 5 months, I'm going to be telling you when I'm cashing out, because I'm going to be dollar cost averaging out of the market over the next few months. This is what you do in crypto. You learn the 4-year cycle. And if you want to know my experience of the 4-year cycle, because I've had experience of 3 crypto cycles, you'll find that information in my YouTube channel. So let's have a look at recently published videos. So here, you win if. So I had to talk about this, the 4-year cycle. So if you have a look at this video, you get all the information you're going to need to learn about the 4-year crypto cycle. So that's the weekly newsletter covered within my community. I just want to show you one more thing, and that is the classroom. You get access to 3 crypto courses. The main one is Crypto Investing Made Simple, and I honestly believe that if you complete this course, it's going to save you time and help you to make money, potentially game-changing profits over the next 6 to 12 months. So let's have a little look. So give you an introduction here about what this course is about. Crypto fundamentals, what is Bitcoin, what are altcoins, blockchain technology, crypto terminology, and understanding the risks of crypto. So that's the first one. First module. Second module, how to avoid common crypto mistakes. This is where you're going to get the most value from this crypto course, this particular course, because you're going to learn to avoid common mistakes that most retail investors make. Emotional investing, not doing research and education. Most people can't be asked, if I'm being honest. They're just, when people ask me about crypto, they're not willing to learn about crypto. They want me to tell them when to buy crypto and when to sell crypto. With any investing, your investing is your responsibility. Anyway, setting realistic expectations, how to avoid FOMO, and mistakes you must avoid. And this includes case studies. Then you've got buy Bitcoin and crypto safely, how to evaluate potential crypto investments, and when to take profits. So that's the main course. Then you've got crypto cash out, which is also important, and complete investing part 2. So that's me selling you on the benefits of my crypto course. Now let's look at cost. So it's going to cost you $19 a month. That's £15 a month, or about 50 pence a day. And I would say you're only going to need to be a part of this community over the next 6 to 12 months. So it's going to cost you maybe 50, 60, 70 pounds, but it's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to help you to make a lot of money. It's going to give you the help and support you need. So that's it for me trying to sell you on the benefits of complete investing premium over on Skool. Let's have a little look at TradingView. I just want to show you some of the indicators I'm using to help me with my cash out strategy. So as I've said, SMA, I'm using the 200-day and 50-day. And as you can see, the 50-day back in October crossed above the 200-day. And this is a bullish indicator that we're in a bullish market. We're in an uptrend. As you can see, there's some huge green candles, and this was in and around the presidential election. So once Donald Trump became the president of the United States, we had some huge green candles. And as you can see, the momentum has continued right up to now, and we're now at $104,590. So this gives me a general idea of where we are. But for crypto, I prefer, just take that off, EMA, exponential moving average, because it's more short term. There, so we have the 34-day EMA and the 9-day EMA. As you can see, since November, Bitcoin's been trading mainly above the 9-day EMA. And then there's been a bit of resistance, been trading above, drop below, trading above, and we're now trading above the 9-day EMA. So I'm using the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and as you can see, we're at 67 RSI. So we're not quite overbought, as 70 is overbought. You've got volume, so they're the main indicators I'm looking at. And my main focus is on Bitcoin. I'm also looking at Solana, Sui, and a few of my other altcoins. So what market indicators are you using to help you with your cash out strategy? To be honest, like I said, I'm not a day trader, so I don't look at patterns about what's potentially going to happen. I'm looking at these lagging indicators. I'm looking at the RSI. I am watching YouTube videos of various crypto traders who are talking about what's potentially going to happen. But again, I'm taking that with a pinch of salt. I'm looking at what's happening day to day. And I'm going to be cashing out over the next few months. Hopefully I'll be all out of crypto by May 2025. So that's about it. I just wanted I wanted to go live on YouTube to offer my help and support with my community. Hopefully you've taken some value from that. I'm going to be doing this every couple of days, and I'm going to be talking about market indicators more, been using TradingView more so. If you want to, you can also get my latest videos on YouTube. As you can see, I'm stuttering away. I'm better with it. I use a teleprompter for my YouTube videos. It doesn't just flow for me personally. I'm a bit shy, a bit reserved if I'm being honest. But hopefully, the more times I do this live feed, it's gonna improve. So anyway, if you want to join a community of like-minded investors, if you want help and support, go to my main channel at Duff Invests, go to my About page, read all about what this channel is about, simple, easy to follow investing videos. And if you scroll down, you see the links for my school communities. You've got Premium Investing School and Free Investing School. As I said at the start, Free Investing School helps you with stock investing, gets you to the point where you can safely invest in the stock market. Premium investing is all about crypto. Anyway, that's it for now. If you are a crypto investor, good luck with your crypto investing over the next 6 to 12 months.